Class is we're gonna talk about metabolism in this class. So metabolism, what that means is not just how fast you lose body weight, but also how fast your body responds to change, which also means how fast your body is able to reverse diseases. And that's what we're gonna talk about in this class. What does metabolism really mean, and how to raise your metabolism so that way you can actually recover from chronic disease a lot more rapidly. Anyone with the right tools and knowledge can heal their autoimmune illness, but anyone with the right coaching will heal their autoimmune disease. That's really important to realize. So what metabolism actually is, there's a big misconception of what metabolism means. It comes from the Greek word for change. So metabolism is not just how many calories you burn or how much weight you lose. That's not a whole story. So if you look at the biological definition of it, it's a sum of everything that is going on in the body. That's what metabolism means. So that includes muscle gain, fat loss, and disease reversal. So metabolism is your body's ability to create intended physiological change. So the higher and faster your metabolism is, the faster the change you can create in your body, whether it's trying to lose fat or disease reversal. So that's why the higher your metabolism is, the faster you're able to actually reverse your disease or to lose body fat. So fast metabolism means is that you have the fast acting health. And if you get sick, you will recover rapidly. And if you have fast metabolism, you will snap right back. And then at the end, you have heart cells, nail cells, skin cells, hair cells, all of them. And this is what your body is. That's what you physically are. And close to 100 trillion of them. That's how many cells we have. So we are nothing more than the collection of these cells. And now let's check this out. The pyramid represents all of these type of foods you can eat. That's the type of foods that people tell you to eat. And what happens when you eat food, it goes into your body, and your body takes this food, and whatever that is, whether it's vegetables, protein, the carbs, the processed food, it goes into your body, and it breaks it down into smaller molecular components. It breaks it down into carbohydrates. So it breaks it down into lipids. It breaks it down into the mineral molecule. It breaks it down into the protein, amino acids. So your body, it's not just about protein, carbs, and fat. It's a lot more happens when you eat that food. What happens now when it goes into your cells eat this, and then they're able to do what they're supposed to do. So for example, if you give your body, your cells, the right type of nutrients, it's gonna be able to function the way it's supposed to function. And here's an example of the muscle cell. So we know that the muscle needs glucose, it needs carbohydrates, it also needs protein molecules, and it also needs lipid molecules. And when you give your body all these three things, your muscle cell is gonna become happy and it's gonna grow into what it's supposed to be. Right? And that's what happens. You want to be able to give your body all the tools and nutrients that it needs to eat, not just to cut everything out from your diet. So that's why you know all these diets that exist out there, low fat diet, no carb diet, keto diet, 1 month a juice people who do juicing, they just juice 1 month a day. At the end of the day, it damages your metabolism. So that's not how it works when it comes to disease reversal. So how to really raise your metabolism is what we want to do is we have all this collection of cells, and all these cells, they want you to feed them, right? You want to feed your cells. They just want you to feed you the right nutrients. So your muscle cells, they need so much more than protein and carbs to be able to grow. And at the same time with your fat cells, they need so much more than just neglecting calories to be able to get smaller and lose body fats. Because your cells, they're living machines. And if you're missing that part of a component of that machine, it's not going to work. Metabolism, what it means is every single biochemical thing that happens in your body. That's what metabolism means. It affects so much more than just weight loss, and how well your heart functions, how well your muscle creates strength, how well all your organs are working. So the better all your cells are working, the faster you will be able to respond to disease reversal. That's what it comes down to.